Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to show you the end result of my design team project that I did this month for Nonstop Papercrafts for Suzanne. I work with the letters kit. It has 22 pages, and I have linked it down below. And it is on sale at the moment with a 20% discount. I'm not sure until it's on sale, but usually it's during the whole month the kit comes out. And I have to say, I enjoyed working with the papers and I had everything filmed, but something happened with my sugar bell glue bottle. Well, it's not a glue bottle, actually. Maybe that's why the accident happened, because it's to make frosting on cake, but it's a very squishy, little soft, well, I'm going to show you one moment. I also changed my settings because I think the other desk was a little bit dark, but this is the sugar bell bottle. And when you squeeze, I squeeze always over here. And during the time that I used it for a few years, it apparently got cracked and the glue was coming out, running over my hand. It was on my phone when I stopped filming. Then it was on my mouth, inside my mouth, so I have to rinse my mouth. And then I came back and I saw the phone was all cluttered with glue. And I thought, oh, I have to clean it, otherwise my phone will be ruined. And when I did that, I deleted the recording. So I only have like showing you the pages part, because I paused or stopped and started filming the next part. But that is gone. So I only have the end result. And like I said, I used the letters kit from Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts, and I made a sort of correspondence folio holder. It's a smaller project. I like doing smaller projects at the moment. And I'm going to take you through all the compartments and show you all the bits and bobs. So I made a little correspondence holder from a file folder that I received from Dana and Stacy Merritt from Two Sister Gems. They sent me a bunch of stuff. I did a unpacking video of the things that I received. It is like an accordion style folder. The kit has neutral tones but also pops of color. There are a lot of cute embellishment also, which I really enjoyed working with. And the thing I liked the most was this little envelope. And I added a little torn paper that is going to be a letter for in the little envelope. I have a tag. It is backed with a page from the kit, some little embellishment pieces. This is the back side. I did a collage over here. Of course, I had to use reds or eyelets, sorry. And I'm going to empty the pockets so I can show you and you can see what is in. So it has two compartments, but I also made like a divider with a tab thingy that can also, you can journal on here, and it goes into the holder. I have a tag included with room to write. One of the beautiful pictures that came with the kit. This is the back side. And then I have an envelope that I embellished with fabrics and little bits and bobs from the kit. And there is another sort of photo inside. And these came with the kit, and I really like these. It's very romantic. And I also made a scrappy pad. And it is scrappy. It's not straight, but I like that because it's wonky. And I have different papers inside, and this is the back side. And I really enjoyed making this. It's small, but it's funny to make. A little card. This is the back side, and I added a tab, so there is a little bit more going on inside the folio. Then you have, like, you see the hardware popping out a little, and it's making it a little bit more interesting. Yeah, I'm really sorry I don't have the footage on how I made it. Maybe I will make some sort of project in the future again. But it was a lot of fun. And I'm just popping in the things back into the folio. Yeah, I really like seeing all these little tabs with the hardware on it. So yeah, check out her store. I have a link down below for the link tree to her other links, and I'll also link the kit separate in the video description down below, so you can directly go to her shop. And like I said, it is on sale at the moment, and it's a great kit. 22 pages. I still have pages left. I can show you a few that I have left. I didn't use all the pages yet, but this is involved, this is involved, this page and this page. And I really like the color, the yellow and the red. It's very cute. So yeah, this was my design team project for not for LineDotArrow, I'm so sorry, I'm so used saying that, for Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. I hope you like it. Maybe you want to leave this video a thumbs up. Maybe you want to leave me a comment. If you have a question, please do ask. If you are not subscribed, maybe you want to be a subscriber. Oh, I forgot to tell you, she also has freebies in her Facebook group and on her Ko-Fi that correspond with this kit. And there are challenges. I'm not sure if the challenges are still running, but the freebies are there. So maybe you want to check. And yeah, I think I have everything covered. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, and maybe I'll see you the next time. And I wish you a very happy Monday, and greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.